Hello everyone! So if you want to install apps on your iPhone 12 Pro, first of all, locate your App Store right here, open it up. Now you gotta find your search bar. First of all, make sure that before downloading an app that you're logged in into your Apple ID. In the top right corner of the screen you can see your account, right? So tap on it. If you would be prompted to enter, it means you're not logged in, so do this. Otherwise, you won't install anything. Your iPhone won't let you to install anything. Now, to download an application, tap on the search bar and let's install YouTube, for example. So find your application, YouTube, tap on its icon and press this cloud icon. And as you see, it started downloading. Give it a few seconds to be downloaded. By the way, if you swipe down, you can see it downloading in the real time on your home screen. So let's wait until our icon will appear. Now it's appeared. Simply tap on the icon to open up your YouTube, and that's it. That's basically how do you install the apps on your iPhone 12 Pro. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.